If you want to remove your Google Authenticator from Bitget, then this video is for you. First, open your Bitget application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you have to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap on your profile name here. Now in security section, you'll find Google Authenticator. You can tap on it. Now from here, you'll find change Google Authenticator or unbind Google Authenticator. This option is for change Google Authenticator with another Google Authenticator account, and you can use some other authenticator application like Microsoft Authenticator and like others. So the unbind Google Authenticator will help you to remove the Google Authenticator from your Bitget account. So you just need to tap on this unbind this Google Authenticator account. So you just need to confirm it that you are aware about this caution. The caution is withdrawals and P2P sales will be suspended for 24 hours after resetting your verification method. So you can do any deals like withdraw. You can withdraw any money, or you can sell P2P, or P2P sales will not available on your account if you just remove it for 24 hours. So you just need to tap on confirm. Then you just need to enter the code, the verification code that will receive by your email. You can find it in your emails inbox. Then you can add this mobile number, the phone number code that you will get through a phone call or through the SMS. So you have to put this two verification code. Then you have to put another code that you will get from the Google Authenticator. You just need to go to the Google Authenticator and make sure you just copy this code and use it until this time runs out. You just need to go to the Bitget and tap on paste button here. Just simply paste and allow paste, and you can see that it will paste the code here. And then you can just, when you fill these three boxes, you can just tap on confirm, and it will easily remove your Google Authenticator from your Bitget account. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.